Hey loves, welcome or welcome back to my channel. It's Dania Naomi. I'm screaming, y'all. If you'd like to see all things and everything hair content, don't forget to go ahead and subscribe and click the notification bell so you could be notified every time your homegirl uploads. But in today's video, I'm mad excited because I'm working with Beauty Forever Hair again, once again, and I show you how I prep the hair before installing the hair, doing my baby hairs, and tinting parts of the lace that were discolored to just give you this gorgeous life with this wig. So again, from Beauty Forever Hair, they sent me their Malaysian curly, so it's a nice, more on the kinkier side as it relates to texture. It is very big. It is only 150 density, and it is also 24 inches, so you know, we got them inches. Love that for her. And yeah, if you'd like to purchase this unit off rip just by seeing it right now, the links will be in my description box. And if you'd like to just see how I manipulate and do what I do to it to get it to look like this, just keep on watching. And yeah, thank you so much for watching. So this is pretty much me prepping, and what I am gonna do is go in with my handy dandy hot comb. This is my old faithful, y'all, and what this does is to just push the hairs back and make everything uniform. And what I am going to do is just go ahead and part my baby hairs out. I'm gonna also go ahead and trim them down so they're not as long as they are, so when I put the wig on, you know, it won't be a bother. And y'all are gonna see the reason for doing this in a second. So this hairspray that I'm using is actually a liquid mousse, and I love working with it. It's a Fantasia brand. They sell it in the beauty supply store, and I just sprayed a little bit of my Sebastian, and they sell that in Ulta. And I'm just going in and pretty much hot combing every single thing back. And this is just where it gets a little sticky, or on the stickier side of things, because the Fantasia mousse has a weird just texture to it, and that's just all it is. I'm just pushing everything back, and this time I'm molding it as would regular mousse, but this one is just liquid, so it just helps for me to create nice hairlines and see how they look before putting it on my head. Now I'm just thinking of doing a part, and I think a side part, so that's what we're gonna do. Cutting a lace is pretty self-explanatory. I'm sorry if you can't see, but you'll be able to see as I get to the top. What I am doing is cutting in a zigzag pattern because you are not supposed to cut straight. Cut as close as possible to the hairline, and make sure that you're checking each time you cut to make sure that everything is perfect. So as you can see, homegirl chose a side part, so that's what we finna do. I got Got2b glue gel on my hand, as well as my holy grail toothbrush from Walmart, y'all. It's that Colgate toothbrush. I'm screaming. So what we're doing right now is just molding the baby hairs in place, and once I'm finished molding, I'm just gonna go ahead and cut the hairs down because I don't like long baby hairs. I like them short, okay? So that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna just cut them down and flake them into place. Yes, just like that. So that's that, and I'm gonna do that all over for the rest of the wig. I'm gonna just go in with my blow dryer, and blow drying helps because when you do that, it just helps to secure the got2b gel and the wig in place at the same time. So that's how I avoid using glue, as well as thanks to the bands in the back, y'all constructed this wig to the gods, y'all, to the gods. This wig was constructed. And so I'm just trimming down my baby hairs, and I'll just complete and do the same process all over again for this section and all over the frontal. So just keep on watching. Now I'm taking my Milani Cream to Powder Foundation in the number 292, and I'm just patting it in wherever the lace doesn't match up, and as you can see, blended. So it helps to blend in my lace with my skin tone, because I really feel like it's my perfect skin tone. So after doing this, I'm just gonna give homegirl a part, and each time I part, I'm gonna use my hot comb in order to make sure that everything is nice and flat up there, because one pet peeve of mine is just having real bulky hair. I don't like that, y'all. So that's what I'm doing, and I'm just making sure that I get everything nice and together. I'm gonna use my Sebastian just to make sure that the part is getting nice and flat, and yeah, just keep on watching. So that is all I do to get my wigs to lay and stay down for probably 2 days until it comes up, and then I just redo it, or I just take it off and put it back on whenever, because this is fully glueless. This wig is so gorgeous. I'm so happy that I got sent this wig, and this is Beauty Forever's Malaysian curly hair in 24 inches. So this is where 24 inches is at, and it's also 150 density, so it looks really thick and it's really full, but the density is 150. I wouldn't recommend going up, to be honest. If your preference is like really huge hair, you go girl, but it's hot, and 150 just does it right. It's a little lightweight and a little heavy at the same time because it is a lot of hair on this unit, but nonetheless I love it and I would recommend it. So if you guys would like to purchase, you can go ahead and do so. The links will be in my description box for you to do so. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one.